Hey guys, today we're going to review Cursor versus Windsurf versus Claude Code. Which is better in this year? So in this year, many people are using AI-powered coding tools to make writing and debugging software easier. Three popular options are Cursor, Windsurf, and Cloud Code. Each tool helps developer in different ways, but they also have strengths and weaknesses. So first, what is Cursor? So Cursor is an AI coding editor built on top of Visual Studio Code. It feels very familiar if you have a use of a VS Code before, but it adds smart AI features directly into the editor. Cursor can suggest code, explain errors, and even generate full functions or files when you ask. It is helpful for beginners who need guidance and also powerful for advanced programmers who want to move faster. Many developers like Cursor because it blends AI with a well known editor, so it feels smooth and natural. However, some features require a paid plan. Overall, Cursor is a great balance of power and simplicity. So Windsurf, on the other hand, is another AI-powered coding environment tool, but it focuses more on being an AI-paired programmer. Instead of just giving you a small code suggestion, Windsurf tries to understand the whole project. It can plan big changes, refactor code, and help you manage complex tasks step by step. So this makes it very useful for larger projects who need an AI to act like a teammate instead of just an assistant. Last in our list, Claude. Claude Code is a coding tool built around a Claude AI model. It is less of coding editor and more of a smart assistant that helps with explaining, debugging, and generating code. Many people like Claude Code because it uses natural language very well, meaning you can describe what you want in simple words and get working code back. It is especially good for understanding complex concepts, cleaning up messy code, or writing documents. However, Claude Code is not as tightly built into an editor as Cursor or Windsurf, so you may have to copy and paste between your editor and the AI. So overall, three of these tools are very useful, but they shine in different ways. Cursor is best if you want AI insight and familiar editor with strong code suggestions. Windsurf is better if you want an AI partner that can handle big projects and work like a teammate. Cloud Code is perfect if you want a clear explanation, debugging help, and natural language coding support. So the right choice depends on whether you want speed, teamwork, or clarity in your coding. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.